Miss Lady Herrera, please come to the front.
Happy birthday! Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Tsaka, huwag kang magmadaling magdalaga. Tsaka, I love you. Very happy birthday. Wala lang, sana maging happy ka. And more birthday for happiness.
John Aquino.
Pao, sa mga karating. Tiffany, happy 18th birthday. Thank you sa happy memories sa dorm. Saka, ikaw yung nagpapasaya ng dorm. Lalo na pag tahimik sa dorm, walang magawa. Ikaw yung mga nagpapadala. Happy 18th birthday. Thank you.
Ian Crystal Beltran.
Tiffany, happy birthday. Kung makakalimutan yung huwag ka natin sa dorm.
Crystal Mira Aure.
Happy birthday. Wala akong sasabihin, friends. Secret lang. Yun lang. I wish you good luck and good health. Sana mag-nurse tayo, friends. Happy birthday.
Ian David.
Happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Pichutin kasi yung bago ako sa dorm, siya yung unang pumatok sa room ko. Sobrang kapal ng mukha. Gusto ko sanang buhay na matahimik, pero nandyan siya. Hindi. Pero salamat. Sobrang natouch ako. And, ayun, sobrang masaya. Kay tita din, na cool. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka. And, sana ma-realize mo lahat ng blessings mo. Sana huwag mong baliwalain yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Ayun. Umiyak ka. Ayun. Salamat.
Ian Cassini.
Kasi pa, mas 18 candles pa. Nag-cancel pa ako ng flight para lang makapunta dito sa dugo mo. Hindi, kasi di man yung sobrang bait yan. Kaya lang, pag during examinations niya, kakatak ko yan, tapos magpapaturo sa chemistry. Pero okay lang naman. Kahit na sobrang hipit ko sa'yo, pag tinuturuan kita, sana naman na-appreciate mo. Tsaka, sana, mahalin mo yung mga blessings mo, tulad ng mga parents mo, sana mas maging close ka sa kanila. Huwag kang hiyati. Tsaka yung love life mo, sana blessings na lang. Sige, happy birthday!
Kate Dayapana.
Happy birthday. Saka, syempre, God bless sa'yo. Kahit na malayo kami, kahit na kami, syempre, yung friendship andun pa rin. Ka-join ka lagi sa lahat ng sayaw. Maraming salamat sa time na yun. Kasi ang ganda talaga nung banding nung sayaw natin lagi. Salamat talaga. Saka, sana gano'n ka pa rin. Kahit na mali tayong college na, saka sa pag-work na rin. Happy birthday.
Catherine Ogto.
Happy birthday. Wishing you good health. Saka, si Tiffany nga pala yung most cheerful ng classroom. Nasa interest dati. Kaya sana stay the same Tiffany we've met before. Saka, always be cheerful pa rin. Happy birthday!
Rosa Maria Taneo.
Diba? Happy birthday sa thank you dahil naging friend kita. Tapos thanks din sa pag-invite mo sa amin. Tsaka huwag ka magbabago sa pagiging kalog mo. Ayun. Saya ako naging kaibigan kita. Happy birthday.
Joanna Camille de Matera.
Happy birthday.
Ito ka, kanta.
Happy birthday sa akin. Thank you sa lahat.
birthday ulit.
Christina Camille Agustin.
This candle symbolizes success. This will lead you to triumph and victory. Happy birthday, Castle. I love you.
To complete the 18 roses, may I call 18 candles.
Tiffany, happy birthday. And may God bless you always and guide. The Lord lead you always, and most of all, we pray that your birthday is very successful and hoping that your study is sure to be in good. Thank you. Happy birthday.
When you say what you wanna say, and you know the way you wanna be. I know we carry on, 'cause if there's somebody calling me, she's the one. She's the one.
Mr. Archie Bravo and Mrs. Imelda Bravo to assist our debutant in her cake cutting.
Happy birthday to you. On this day for you, gonna love you in every way. This is your day, your day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You're so young. Age is just a number. Don't you stop having fun. This is your day, your day. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you. This day only comes in every way. Happy birthday.
Wishing good health and happiness to our debutant. As a champagne is poured our debutant for her family, now make wishes for her, good fortune, a better and the best life possible for the celebrant. We would like to invite everyone to raise their glasses. We